Alright guys, we're back on OrdoAirsoft, and today we're going to be walking you through how to disassemble the ProWin Hopup. There you go. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is we got to take out this little C-clamp right here. That little clamp right there. So all you got to do is take either a screwdriver or an Allen key, or you can grab it with just your hands. Pop that off. Set that aside, we'll need it later. Then we're going to take out this ring right here. Then we're going to take out this little pin right here. You just got to pop it through. Grab the other side, pull it right through. Then we're going to take out our hop arm. We install a flat hop on this arm, so you can see it has a little nub on there. We recommend that you glue your nub on always, just so it doesn't come undone. And then now what we're left with is just the hop up housing and our barrel. So for ours, we did put electrical tape on it, so we're gonna have to take that off. And there's another little clamp under here that we gotta take off, like that. Notice the way the clamp goes on. You can see it has that little notch on it. It's got to go on that way when you put it back. And after that, I'm going to take the housing off like that. Sometimes the bucking will come off with it. Just if you want to take the bucking off, you can just gently grab it with some needle nose pliers, take it off. So you can see these are the parts that we're left with. Got hop up, bucking, pin, your adjustment ring, your hop arm, and then the little C-clamp and the second C-clamp. Alright guys, so that's how to disassemble your ProWin Hopup. If you guys want to see the reassembly, just see the link in the description for our updated flat hop video. See you guys in the next one.